everybody, how you're doing today? It's a new week, it's a fresh week, and I hope you're ready to eat from the market. So it's Fortune with you from Legend FX, and I'll be giving you a breakdown on Gbpjpy because right here I'm seeing a potential 1000 pips move to the downside. So this is the monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame you can see how price has actually come into this range. Okay, this is a range I was looking at for quite a long time. You can see this is the order block on the monthly time frame from this candle here up to this candle, and you can see that price just tapped into that level at this point. So now this trade is just one of those trades you want to be very conservative, because you can see this whole range, there's still room for price to there's still a chance for price to fill up this range here. Okay, there's a chance for price to fill up this range, but from the harmonic pattern I'm seeing, all right, so there's a chance for price to push up to retest this resistance level at 194. Okay, so you have to be very conservative, and I'm going to be very conservative on this trade. But from what we're seeing here, we're seeing a bearish bat pattern. All right, let me just make it visible. There's a pattern we've been trading for quite a long time, and this pattern is very profitable and has high win rate. All right, so this is the bearish bat pattern. You can see how price moved from point X to A, and point B giving us that 0.5% retracement. All right, you can see right on the 0.5 or the 50% Fibonacci retracement, and we have the C leg and the D completion at exactly 0.88. All right, 0.88, or you can call it 88% Fibonacci. You can see how it matches with that. But the thing is, yeah, at this point we have this week breaking below the A leg. All right, we have this week breaking below the A leg, so this might just kind of be a little bit complicated to the validity of this pattern. But overall, let's just watch how this pattern will play out, and it has a potential of giving 1000 pips and above, because if you want to check the take profit from this level, you look at from the swing low to the swing high here, and you can see that there's a high chance for price to drop to at least 38.2% of the Fibonacci, and that is about 2000 pips plus from the current price. So I'll be looking forward to this trade. It's a long-term trade. As you can see, I'm looking at the monthly time frame, and of course I'll be going over to the lower time frame to see the potential move. But this is what we have on this pattern on the higher time frame. So moving on to the weekly time frame to see some kind of price action. Now what I'm seeing here is a divergence. All right, it's a bearish divergence, which might give confluence to this trade pattern. All right, now what is happening here? You can see how price, let me just make this hidden. All right, and there's hidden. Okay, so if you look at this price action here on the weekly time frame, you'll see how price is making a higher high. All right, that is a high, and there's a all right, price made a high at 183 and another high at 186. So this is a higher high, but look at the RSI. The RSI is making a lower high. So the market right now at this point is quite overbought, and of course it's time for us to look at a bearish move to the downside, some corrective move. At least price should go all the way down to retest this level here. You can see ever since price broke above this resistance, price hasn't really retested. So I'm really looking forward to price to come all the way down to at least 170 to retest this support, this resistance to support, and that's going to give us a lot of pips to catch. I think about 1000 plus to catch on this. So we're just going to be looking at to lower time frames to get more confluence on this trade, and we'll be looking for entries on the lower time frame. Still on the daily time frame is still a good divergence. All right, the RSI is making a lower low, a lower high. Sorry, the RSI is making the lower high, while the price action is making a higher high. So this is a clear bearish divergence. So moving over to the 4-hour time frame, that is where I'll be getting my entries and what is going to be the entry for this particular trade. On the higher time frame, we're looking at bearish signs, but we just have to wait for more confirmations on the lower time frame. So here on the lower time frame, you can see how price is ranging. All right. Okay, so here on the lower time frame, you can see how price is ranging around this level. Okay, price is currently ranging around 183 and 185. So this is just a range, and of course price is really picking up liquidity. So to get more confidence on this, I would love price to clearly break below this level, form kind of a corrective move, then I'll look forward to selling to the downside. But overall, I'll be looking for bearish momentum on Gbpjpy because the market is really quite overbought, and it's time for momentum to shift to the bear side. And also this pattern is a good harmonic pattern, the bat pattern, and let's see how this really plays out in the market. So I hope this video was really helpful, and of course you can like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can get more updates on the market. So I see you next time again. Have a